Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial we are going to be talking about conditions with x, y coordinates. Remember that x and y coordinates is just a fancy term for location on the screen. This is more suited towards game development than web or desktop development. Oftentimes we need to execute some code if a game object enters in a certain area on the screen. Let's take a look at an if statement. In this situation, if a game object's x coordinates are lower than 50, the game object will be destroyed. This is very common for game objects because you constantly need to destroy game objects in order to save memory. Here you can see we have added an AND statement to the if statement so that both of these conditions have to be true before the game object is destroyed. One more thing I should mention. Do you see how it says game object dot then x or y? This is really common in object properties, especially in games. We haven't talked about objects yet, but we will later. Here are some examples of properties you can give an object. In this case, the wording and the syntax differs greatly between programming languages. That concludes the tutorial. I'll see you guys next time.